The OKnife U1 Ultra Titanium Utility Knife. Oh yeah, we're talking knives. The OKnife U1 Ultra. Yeah, so this is a titanium knife. This is actually one of the most expensive utility knives I've ever purchased. And well, okay, so why is it so much? Well, it is titanium, so it is. You would think it would be more lightweight. It's not. It's not really that lightweight. It feels solid though. And I'll tell you what, this opening action, that is butter. But it's maybe almost too much butter because it doesn't want to close. You see that? I don't know. And it came with this sort of ceramic blade. I don't know, maybe they were trying to save a little weight. How much does a knife weigh? Maybe they were thinking this would last longer than a regular utility blade. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about that. The way that I use a utility knife, I think this would break right away. It is interesting that you get almost the full length of the blade. That is unusual. That's not normal. There is a pretty good pocket clip on this thing. It's very solid. And when you talk about the mechanism in terms of play, there is zero play in this, so that's very well engineered. And I did complain about the ceramic blade, but that blade's not going anywhere. That sucker is in there. There is no give in that at all. And why is there no give in there at all, you ask? Because of this. Yeah, this is my biggest complaint about this knife, which I want to say was 120 bucks. You got to carry an extra tool to replace this blade. This comes in the box, and while, I don't know, it looks like a little pocket tool. It's got the screwdriver on there, it's got the bottle opener on there, it's got like a mini nut driver on there, and I don't know what the serration's for. I don't know what you would ever use that for. But in order to get this off, there's a little screw there, and you've got to turn that screw. You can use this thing to do it in order to get this blade out. Why? Why would OKnife do that? And on top of that, there's nowhere on this knife to store that. So you got to keep up with this and this. So if you need to replace this blade, you've got to wait until you got this, or I don't know, a pair of pliers or something. The OKnife U1 Ultra. The question is it worth it? I mean, it's a utility knife. Now, it's very well made, but at the end of the day, I feel like this is going to end up being something of a pocket princess. And the question you have to ask is, get it or flip it? Honestly, at this price, I'm going to flip it. Well, there's that. And that's it for me. Until next time, seek wonder, stay curious, and go all in on who and what you love.